What's going on here? Is Sebastian and Mr. Kitty playing? Oh, there he goes. He got down. Yeah, he got down. Look at Mr. Kitty. What are you doing? Were you playing with Mr. Kitty? Were ya? Were you playing with Mr. Kitty? Mr. Kitty eating now? Look how Mr. Kitty eats. Well, you could eat, Mr. Kitty. We won't bother ya. You're part of the family. You're part of the family, Mr. Kitty.
Kitty.
There's Daddy. Sebastian's movies. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, baby. Where'd the kitty go? He's hungry.
Hungry kitty. Kitty eats his breakfast good, Sebastian. Yeah, he does eat good.